All utilities all over America trim trees every day, just like we do. Some utilities trim trees sky to ground. They remove trees completely to prevent the trees from getting to the power lines. It's a challenge we deal with every day, meeting customers that don't understand our business, explaining it to them, and so they understand and they know we're here for them. Our goal is to make customers happy.
I have a bachelor's degree in forestry from Mississippi State University, and I'm also an ISA certified arborist. And one of the responsibilities of my job is to ensure that proper pruning takes place in order to promote long-term tree health.